you have to look at it like this. If there is an Uber in your country, there's probably a transportation food service that has kind of trickled into another part of the region. So what they have out here in Southeast Asia is going to be something called Grab. So now Grab is going to have food, and it's going to have transportation and just about anything else that you might want. Like I said, it will parallel Uber, and I think it's a game changer when you're out here. So then number two is going to be an application called Bolt. Now, with Bolt, the only thing that it doesn't have food that comes to your doorstep. But at the same time, what Bolt is going to be good for is the fact that, this thing's bugging out already. The fact that it is, it's usually cheaper 9 out of 10 times when you're utilizing these transportation systems or applications. So those are going to be two that are going to be key for you when you are out here in Southeast Asia. So now the third question, or the third application that people want to know about is that, listen, if I want to meet people out here, like, what app should I use? Because I'm a little bit of a hermit, even when I'm on holiday or just in general. So what do I use? So the first one we got is going to be Tinder. Just like anywhere else, Tinder is, it's all over the world. And then secondary is going to be one called Bumble. So now these are going to be legitimate apps. You got to verify photos. You got to do what you got to do. And those two get utilized by, foreigners that are here that want to meet people, as well as the indigenous people of the country. But once again, these applications, they cost money. So not everyone has disposable income regarding, dating apps. So one of the apps that gets used out here is something called Thai Friendly. Now, Thai Friendly is utilized for regular girls that are going to work every day, and then other girls that are basically going to work every day, if you understand what I'm saying. So those are 5 applications right off the bat. If you're going to start downloading and you're coming here, those are going to be the ones that are going to make you successful when you're out here in the Kingdom of Thailand. All right, coffee and juice. Hopefully you got something out of it, and I will talk to you soon.